came in mail today. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got here. He packed it really securely. Nice. Even more newspaper. Hell yeah. As you can see, the original CD business radio, or BMW business. It should be fully functional, and it is also the the facelift edition. So you can see it has the port for the auxiliary cable for the, let's say, phone input, and the pre-phase models didn't have that, so this should be a plus. And I'm hoping the steering wheel buttons will work as well. And as I said in the previous video, we are going to change it for the ugly Android head unit or radio, or it's not infotainment system, it's not entertainment, and it really doesn't give no info, so it's just the system. As you can see, radio business CD RDS, and the date of manufacturing is 2003, and it looks very nice. It's not damaged, the knob is okay. So this is the older version. Something like this was probably in this car, and as you can see, this is not available to plug in anything. And this is BMW reverse, and it's 98, and it has cassettes, and this knob is made of, it's made of rubber, but it is more like a Play-Doh or something like this. So this is much nicer, and the fact that it supports aux is the best. So yeah, we will try to put this thing in. And I also want to try this old radio, which I got when I bought this car. It was inside of the trunk, and it looks like a retrofit. It looks like something you could buy on eBay, but I don't think it works, or it works well, because it was not in the car when I bought it. It was just thrown in the trunk. But it has the CD player function, which I'm interested in, and it has the, let's say, OEM look. So we will see if this works. I haven't tried this one yet, and I don't know if I can manage to work this out with the cables and connectors. So we will see. No role models to speak up, searching through my memory. Okay, so first step is we need to take out, I think, this piece, also this piece, which is not holding on correctly, as you can see as well. I have to remove this thing. The almighty trim removal tool set, which we are going to use. We can close this. We need to remove this. So I'm going just to pry this out. Yeah. You always gotta be careful when dealing with those clips, because it's, as you can see, somebody already changed it, and it's not holding very well. So this will be also on the list. And now we have to get this radio out. Yeah. Yeah, nice. And now we are here. If you can see, I can put some more light on this. So there are two screws right here, one right there, and there are some more screws, I think, down. But this is, as you can see, this is not held by anything, because this should be right here, and here should be the radio. So that was not very nice sound, but it seems to be fine. This radio now, as you can see, is held only by the cables, so I just plug them out, and also this thing. Yeah, so this is the whole radio. It will go probably straight to the trash. And here you can see the bunch of connectors which you can, or you need to get when you are trying to connect some Chinese radio. As you can see, the CAN bus decoder for BMW E39 or E46. A bunch of things which go here, and I'm not sure how I disconnected this one. I think it's just to pull this out real hard. Yeah, so we are not going to use this. Let's take the new / older radio and we can actually try both of them to see if it works. I hope it will work. And let's try this one if it fits okay. So it should be like this, I think. Okay, so this should go right here, as you can see, and it should look nice, but it should help. But there are no things which hold it in place, so I'm not sure. I think this should be back. Let's see. So it should go like this inside. And I'm not sure why there are those holes, because there are no screws here to go through those holes. There's nothing to hold it in place. Boh ochrani toho chuja, čo to spraví. Okay, this is now in. It just holds like this, so I think it will be fine. But I don't know how it could hold it. Let's put the radio in and then we will see. Okay. Bro, how does this work? Nice. That was a nice click. This is the part which wasn't connected on the older version or radio, so I'll just push it in. Oh, something is... Bro, it's working already. Okay, but I should turn it off because my keys are in the ignition, so I don't want to make a mess. And I don't know where is the... Is this the part for the antenna or no? Am I stupid or what? Where is the connection for the antenna? What the hell? Here we have this, and here I don't have this. There's only this thing and this, and the antenna is not here. So maybe we will just listen only to the CD player. It should be fun. Okay, let's try if it works. Bro, there is some CD as well. The Offspring Splinter, February 2005. Bro. So, let's see. You couldn't really play this on this thing, right? Let's try if it works. I will just hold it in place like this. Scan. I think the antenna is not working here. Let's see if the Splinter, the Offspring CD will play. It works, but because of the copyright we cannot play it. But it works. Does this work? Hell yeah! Oh, this is not good sound. So I will just try to connect the climate control now, and I will see if it goes alright together, because that's the main thing I'm focused on. Okay, so this should go right here. Yeah, and the radio should go over that. So let's connect this, even though it doesn't work. Maybe it will work in the future. And let's connect this thing. That's a good point my friend had, that it doesn't matter if the radio works or antenna, because I really used the radio maybe for like an hour in this car, in the old radio, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'm happy that I can use my CDs. It's a little bit more inside than I would like it to be. Minho, what's going on here?
Robuje von, keď robuje. Ako môže byť hore závit, keď hore je strediaci kolík? Na Origoš rádiu.
Shout out to stupid owners of this vehicle. If you remember this, you are stupid as someone. That's just plain stupid.
Okay, so I don't exactly remember how this thing is holding in place. So therefore we have to pull out my trims, all the trims, and see it in person. So yeah, this is beautiful myrtle wood trims. It's an unpopular opinion. Wood is better and nicer, higher quality and more high-end looking than your carbon fiber wrap. So
This way we can mess up both of our radios.
Yes, and now I'm just gonna pull it out. Yes. And as you can see, it's the wall
Frame.
It's basically a plastic frame, as you said, yes. And it holds
Climate control, the radio.
as well as radio, yes.
So this is the thing we are missing.
Yes, we are missing the wall frame. And yeah, it's the reduction, it's kind of a reduction frame, because the actual physical size of the radio behind the display portion is the universal radio size. So yeah, as you can see, here's the reduction part so that it won't move inside. Have to
So let's call our friend.
Let's call our friend that sells E46s as a parts cars, and hope that he's gonna have one at home so we can jump straight into the car and drive there and buy it
Right now.
right now. Yeah. Zdraví. Za rádiom, áno. Kamarát teraz akurát zohnal rádio, lebo tam mal čínsku kokotinu na Android, vieš. What's going on? Kurva. It sound. BMW problems.
As we failed today with the changing of the radio unit, we are trying to fuck up something else. As you can see, and if you drove with me, you know that my windshield is totally messy and dirty and everything. This tube goes from the washer nozzles or the windscreen nozzles, and it goes to this reservoir of washer fluid. And when we were changing the hood, it was like 8 or 9 p.m. It was dark, it was cold, and it was almost 300 kilometers from our garage, and we were changing it on the gas station. So we quickly just snapped it and we went home. Now I want to fix it to be able to see something at least. So I'm not going to really care about those small cables, because those should be the heaters for the nozzles, but I don't really give a damn about them now. So we are just going to connect it, and for that we need this hose, measure how much we need. So let's say we connect it here, and then we want to have some kind of, well, let's say it should be fine like this. We can still cut from this, so again, nice. We need those two connectors to connect. I said, bring me my washer fluid.
Aha. Ja ráno len. Stade to vytrskalo.
Because then it's bad angle.
There we go. This is a very productive repair day. It started really bad, but ended pretty good. So yeah, we managed to repair at least something.
I think we should clean the car. We should go wash the car.
Yeah.
Because it's dirty as hell, and we should clean it. And tomorrow I will buy the reduction frame or adapter, or I don't know how it's called, and we will finally turn on the radio. That's not a good sound at all. Props to him.
Ja mi jedno tvoje meno, vek, vizor,
yeah.
vzdelanje. Pozri se, aha.